Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Ready, boys?
Yeah. Right, know the plan?
Good to 3, 2, 1, have at 'em!
Keep going, keep going. Dead player coming through. Dead player. I'll do us both, mate.
Yeah, lovely.
Ooh. Oh, what's going on?
How many you dropped?
What's going on?
You're on the wall down there. Oh, it's wall down.
You dead, sir?
Dead man coming through, dead man coming through, dead man, dead man, dead man.
Dead. Dead player coming through. Dead players coming through. Oh, nice one. How you going on, mate?
Alright, on to
You button me as well, and this chap here.
yeah,
We're in.
yeah,
We're done.
Yeah, 2 pistol kills.
It's quite a different experience with this.
Yeah, how you getting on?
I think it'll take a bit of getting used to, not in a bad way, just it's different.
Yeah. I saw you use a grenade there a moment ago.
Yeah, got a few grenade kills.
You go around to the left here.
Been going through here,
Yeah.
but come on, where we go? Very busy here. You can see them like far through. It's just hard to move up there, isn't it? Though.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them.
Unless you use our grenade, did you see a blue there?
Yeah, we'll have to get right up to that corner. Run through. Keep going, keep going. Got red, that red just needs to pop up.
We've got someone coming on.
Oh, through the corner.
Follow it.
Push, push, push.
Go, go, go.
Push, push, push.
think I need to go right. Where from? Oh, you can't say. Don't worry. See in a minute.
Big man, big.
Hey! Ah! Ooh, yeah. Dead player, come through! Dead player! Dead player, dead player, dead player. Dead player. Oh, shit. Dead player, dead player. Dead player! Ah! The blue, quite close. Right, it's you,
in that
it's
corner
me,
by the bottom of
it's
the
you.
stairs. Okay, in the bottom of the corner.
You button, mate. Your button, your button.
There's a blue that side then.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, on the left. He's close.
Right, somebody behind that wall.
Where at? Do you want to push, like, do what we did before, or come down this way, or? So sorry. So sorry, mate. Sorry, Val. Ow! Hits! Dead player, dead player, dead player. Dead player. Dead player. Seeing what I've got in the tank. Doing well.
And my pistol, haven't it? Got a few kills. Like,
Nice.
Yeah. More kills with my pistol.
Which way do you want to go? Hey?
Got grenade, can't we? I quite like it through that area. Can we try that again?
Yeah.
Can we get my grenade out?
Hey, come on. Oh, right. With that. I think we're just swapping sides. I'll better get my rifle.
Yeah.
Got to play blues. We're going blues.
Yeah, man. Oh, sorry, bro. I don't know what the fuck. I thought you were holding a camera. And you were on video.
This is a tough one to move through, isn't it? With this low wall especially.
I don't know where to go anymore. You start a smoke, Dave. Yeah, remember that? That's grenade smoke.
Mmm.
Lovely. Good first game.
Good first game. Not bad, not bad.
You put that in your rifle.
Yeah, I just left it in safe.
You know what I noticed as well? I think you used a lot of rounds
You did?
on my pistol. I didn't.
No.
No, I was really conservative. What I did, I saw someone bang bang. That was it. I literally didn't put any cover and fire down.
Nice. Right, you ready? Where are we going? To the far left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't see, but
You ready to move?
4, 3,